Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to get Crosshair on Koorui monitor. So as you can see that currently I'm on reddit.com and this person asked the same question that in his Koorui monitor he wasn't able to find any option to get the Crosshair. So let's just find out what this person is actually saying. So this person is saying in response to it that maybe unplug the power so it can reset, then plug it back in. And did you change input modes or something? Maybe Koorui monitors have a poor quality firmware where entire sections disappear from the OSD for some reason. Now this person is saying that it can be under the game mode, I think. So in response to it, this person is saying that I've never managed to find the setting. I think it's only available on certain monitors and they give out the same guide for all models, but I never managed to find it, to be honest. So here is the user manual that he shared. So if you find your settings into it, you can take a screenshot of it. But according to this person, um, the user manual is same for all of the monitors and you won't get this setting is in all of the monitors. So you just have to check whether this setting is available in your monitor or not, and you can even take a look at this user manual as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.